Welcome to another video from my channel, and today I'm going to show you all how you all could get a free domain name from freenom.com. And let's get started. So we should first go to Freenom. Now you all could see the freenom.com and click on it. And now you all will be directed to the home page, and now just search for a domain name which you all require. I'll write over here hats. Of course you all could write anything over there, and just click on check availability. And now you all will be displayed all the domains which are available, and if they are free they will have a tag on it over here, free. And now we'll just don't click on get it now, because that will not actually check it out. There is a bug in the bug. So just copy the URL, the domain name, and just paste it over here. The free package comes, and now just check availability. It will automatically get selected, and this is the best way to check it out. Select your domain name and just click on checkout. And now you all will be directed to this page where you all have to select the time period which you all want the domain name. And up to 12 months it's free, and thereafter you all have to pay a small subscription fee of $9.95 1 year and 2 years, and thereafter it will substantially increase. Now we are going to select 12 months. Of course you all could select 12 months, and again after 12 months you all could cancel the domain and renew it, so that you all could maintain the domain name status free. So click on continue after that. And now you all could see the checkout page, and now you all know there is no $0 charged. So of course if you all haven't already registered account, you all could sign in, or else you all could enter your email address and verify it and then check out. So I have already signed in, so I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in. You all will be directed to the dashboard. And now just go to services and click on my domains, and now you all could see the domain name under your registered domains, and it will be available from today, from this day registered date up to the expiry date. And of course thereafter you all could cancel the domain and again register it, so that you all could get it for free again. Or else if you don't want that hassle, just have to pay a small fee. And of course the status of the domain is active. And thank you guys for watching this video. Do like this video, share this video if it helped you, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for future tips and techniques. And thank you. Bye.